Yo, what's up with Ben? Hey, what's up? Oh. Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we are in Nevada, California at the Buck Institute. This place is massive. We're doing a Verkada installation, about 20 or so cameras. We're on top of the roof, third level here. We have PTZs all over the place. We got indoor cameras, outdoor cameras. We got someone calling me.
What are you doing here?
Same thing we're always doing, installing Verkada, but this time.
We're gonna mount this strut close as we can to the corner, and then this bad boy is gonna sit in there, something like this, because that point is too long, so it's gonna block some of the view.
I don't come out of big shot.
Bang, you see that? Get that shot, man, right there. Bang! I'm just putting it where it's supposed to go, okay? That's all I'm doing. I ain't doing nothing else.
We're out here at the Bucks Institute. We're about 5-6 days into it. I can't do it right now. All right, we're out here at the Buck Institute. We're about 5-6 days into it. We've got mostly everything mounted to the roof. We got PTZs going in out here on every corner of the building. We're now just trying to patch into the various closets so we can have internet into the sections that we need it. And it's going pretty good. A lot of obstacles, but hey, we're down for the challenge.
Howdy.
Good morning.
Right now, we're trying to patch over to a network closet that's up on the third floor that is in the vicinity where we need cameras to be wired to. They're all numbered going back to the main, so we're gonna patch over on the fiber and then bring the network over here and then put a switch in and go to our cameras. What we're looking for is these fibers. There's already a couple being used. We got 2 extra slots, which we could use that'll get us over to the main IDF. So I need to look at the numbers. 175 and 176 are the numbers we're looking for on the other side. Oh, I got these stupid things, man. You catch me with these. You catch me with these crazy, man, This one right here is where we're at in that closet on the third floor over there. And these will be all the outside cameras. And then we'll have one more for that back corner. So you switch Ethernet over optical extenders, sending them to the closet. And then we'll have switches based there for all the cameras in those locations. We've mounted about 7 of these PTZs. We're getting one more up here. Dude, no. Getting it in, putting in some. Stop, bro. Going pretty good. We're actually installing intercoms and cameras today. It's going pretty well. Click that like button, subscribe, you know what I'm saying?